Welcome to Bennetts Bedrooms. In this short video, let me tell you about this bed. The mattress on this bed is the MLILY Dream 4000. MLILY are official partners of Manchester United, and they've helped design this mattress. This mattress contains 4,000 individual pocket springs, 2,000 from the X range, which are the softer ones that give you comfort, 2,000 from the hybrid springs, which give you comfort and support at the bottom. The top layer is the NanoCool Ice Fibre technology, which works in conjunction with your body to keep you cooler the more you move. It's a really nice feel. The cover is completely removable and washable up to 30 degrees. This mattress comes with a full 5-year guarantee, and remember, a guarantee is always better than a warranty, because if there's any problems at all with this, they'll just swap it over for you straight away. The base on this one is the grey winged ottoman, so-called winged, as you can see on the headboard, winged either side. It's a panel sort of style on the top of the headboard there. Stands 110 centimetres tall and 175 centimetres wide. Let me show you the ottoman. As we lift the ottoman, you can see inside it's 25 centimetres deep. You get the whole width and the whole length of the bed to use as storage. It's a great way, if your room is short of storage, of putting stuff in your bed. The base itself is 40 centimetres deep and the mattress is 30. That gives you a gigantic 70 centimetres from floor to the top of the mattress. It's a really, really comfortable feel bed and a great way to store stuff. For any further information on this bed, why not click back on the website and or just contact one of the staff at Bennetts Bedrooms.